Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Time to talk about everyday Hakka, and here's a beverage that I love drinking every day. 这个饮料啊，你知道是什么吗？
没喝会中毒啊？
没喝会感觉中毒，喝完就觉得消毒了。
咖啡啊？
对。嘎鼻对不对？
对，
这以前教过，我觉得很有趣的一个词，嘎鼻。可是一直都知道嘎鼻是 coffee，OK， that's what it is。But 有跟咖啡有关的一些词啊，我们也可以顺便教一教大家，对不对 ？Yeah，Alice 有喝咖啡的这个习惯吗？
不常喝。
真的哦 ，OK。It really depends. Some people love drinking coffee. They need to have it in order to stay awake. Some people just drink it for a regular basis, like me. So let's say 喝咖啡 ，drinking coffee. How do you say that in Hakka？
啉咖啡
哦，啉咖啡，我最喜欢啉咖啡。那我下次请你喝咖啡。
好啊，说到做到。
好，
呛你啉咖啡。
哇，要呛我咯。呛你啉咖啡 ，that means I'm gonna treat you to coffee, all right? And here in Taiwan, there's a lot of coffee shops. You know, 在台湾听说呢是这个咖啡厅密度最高的一个国家之一。So let's teach people how to say coffee shop, 咖啡厅。
咖啡糖。
糖要加糖吗？
咖啡要加糖。
对啊，咖啡跟糖。
不是啦，咖啡厅。
咖啡厅是这样 ，it sounds like sugar, but it's not. It's actually coffee shop. 咖啡糖 ，all right. 那下次请你喝咖啡，我们约在咖啡厅见面。
好，不要让人家知道。En約都咖啡糖見面。
En約都咖啡糖見面。And 就是我们的意思哦。That's a really interesting way of saying us. We should meet at the coffee shop next time, all right? And finally, to make coffee, you have to have coffee beans. 其实很多人还喜欢这种咖啡豆哦，
磨出来的才香。
对，才香，而且边磨边闻那个味道好香哦。The coffee bean, 咖啡豆。
咖啡豆。
咖啡豆 ，Okay, that's the coffee bean. 咖啡豆的味道好香 ，which is really true. The coffee bean smells so good.
咖啡豆給咪凍香。
咖啡豆給咪凍香。
那海陆腔的很香，冻香。
哦，这听起来比较不那么香的耶。
真的吗？那我要改一下，叫冻香。
哦，冻香。Okay, that's another dialect for saying it smells great. Let's review these terms. 喝咖啡 drinking coffee.
啉咖啡
啉咖啡 Then the coffee shop 咖啡厅
咖啡糖
咖啡糖 And finally the coffee bean 咖啡豆
咖啡豆
咖啡豆 It's time to drink some coffee now. So that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.